Hello Sewing Bees! Today I am pleased to introduce you to the Clever Couch Caddy. This useful and sophisticated caddy is designed to drape over the arm of your couch with one end tucked underneath the cushion and the other holding all of your essentials. And the best part, it's stitched entirely on your serger. There are a total of 3 pockets, 2 along the bottom, which is ideal for housing your remotes, cell phones, and glasses, with a larger pocket for tablets, books, or magazines. The pockets are neatly wrapped with contrasting binding, finished with a narrow cover stitch. The front has a series of decorative cover and chain stitches along with each side, which features a row of piping. Not only does this add structure, but it also adds some style. This pattern has 4 pages of graphic instruction, but if you learn best by video, you might consider treating yourself to the add-on video course. This 6-part course includes more than a half hour of high-definition video with lifetime access. Need to see a step again? Just stop, rewind, and play back. You're going to gain so many new skills and discover exciting techniques that you can achieve by using your serger, like adding decorative chain and cover stitches with specialty thread, add binding with a narrow cover stitch to the edge of the pockets, and inserting piping with tricks to get the perfect corners. This project was designed using the Bernina L890, but it could be stitched on any machine as long as you're able to use the following presser feet: the double fold binder, which is 36 millimeters, plus the accessory holder, a 5 millimeter piping foot, and then optionally, you can add the clear presser foot, which is just really nice for being able to see through the presser foot onto your materials. And I have to say my favorite optional foot was the curved presser foot because I was able to add my chain and cover decorative stitches using this foot and get really defined curves. Get your Clever Couch Caddy Serger pattern today, and don't forget to treat yourself to the add-on video course. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!